Okay, to kick things off, we're going to make the Pollo Asado marinade. So let's grab our herbs and spices. I need 2 teaspoons of Mexican oregano. Now guys, if you can't find Mexican oregano, don't worry about it. Normal oregano will be perfectly fine. But Mexican oregano has a slightly kind of like lemony note to it. So it works really well with this kind of citrusy marinade. I also need 1 teaspoon of ancho chili powder or mild chili powder. We need 2 teaspoons of cumin and 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Let's add some salt and pepper. Let's add a good glug of olive oil. We're going to mix that all together so it becomes a really nice paste. Now, Pollo Asado is a very citrusy marinade, so we want the zest of an orange, lemon, and lime. And we want to squeeze out all the juice as well. I want a big bunch of coriander, which we want to finely chop. And finally, we need 6 cloves of garlic, which we're going to finely chop as well. I've got 10 chicken thighs here, and guys, if you want to use breast instead of thighs, go for it, doesn't matter. Let's get them in. We want to get our hands in there and mix that all together, make sure everything's really well coated. Let's get some cling film on there. We're going to get them in the fridge and we're going to let them marinate overnight. All right guys, welcome to day 2. We've got the coals fired up, that's nice and hot, so let's get our chicken on. Now guys, I don't need to teach you legends how to cook chicken thighs on a barbecue, but the way I like to do it, I like to cook that for about 1 to 2 minutes on a side with the lid on. We'll then flip that over. We'll cook that for another 1 to 2 minutes and just keep repeating that, flipping it over until the chicken is cooked. Now the way I like to test whether it's cooked or not is that I give it a good prod with my finger. That way, if it feels like that texture, or that firmness of a cooked chicken thigh, then we know it's done. Okay, they look great, so let's get them off and we're gonna let them rest for about 5 minutes.